This is a birthday present for Alec Wesley. Hey, Budgies. Budgies, come here. Look, Alec.
Ooh, Alec, look.
Hey, Alec, this is your birthday present.
Whoa.
Look what you got. That's the birthday boy.
For trains.
And Alex! Oh, the train
Look, Budgies.
Happy birthday, Alec. Do you know who it's from? It's from Gigi and Papa. Oh, and some from Grammy and Grandpa, too. Yay. Alec.
Promise?
Daddy, can I play too?
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
So all the kids enjoy.
Alec, look.
Look at the camera, Alex. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Oh, no. Look at the camera, baby.
Hey, buddy.
Whoa. Whoa. I can't. Do you like it? Do you like it? We bought it. What is this? Somebody bought it. What's this? What is this?
That's a train, and one is a car and one is a train.
Hey, Alec Wesley, what do you think, bud?
Cow.
Wow, a cow. Can you can you do some of the trains?
Daddy, could you take this cloth?
It's pretty cool, Alec.
Chocolate.
Wow.
Oh,